What if you weren't just a side thought? What if people didn't talk about you like you were just some sort of interesting specimen because they had nothing else to talk about in the first place? What if people started inviting you out places and genuinely caring about what you thought? You would be a completely different person. But the thing is, you're stuck in that environment, in that group of people who are putting you in these positions of self-doubt, of pity, of anger. You are so much better than what is around you right now. And let me help you get out of that as fast as possible. Don't click off until the end of the video. Let's start with the most simple truth. If something doesn't make you feel good, then it's not good for you. So many people don't understand this, okay? You think that if someone doesn't make you feel good, that a person doesn't make you feel good, makes you feel awful, they're still somehow good for you. They still have some redeemable quality, but that's just not the truth. You can't live in a lie. And yet here you are, acting like that person still matters, still thinks about you, still has an opportunity to redeem themselves and make you feel good. Snap out of it, right? You are not some crazy person that thinks everything around them is literally sunshine and rainbows, because that's not the truth. You and I both know that. And the sooner you start to realize that, and the sooner you start to get back to reality and understand what the hell am I talking to? What the hell am I surrounding myself with? You'll realize that you deserve so much better. But once you do realize that, and even if you knew before clicking on this video that the group you're around is awful, you might still feel like it's better staying with them because you're too lonely. Because you feel like nobody else around you would want to feel like they would actually want to hang out with you. You feel that maybe it's better to be with someone than be lonely. Let me tell you something real quick, okay? The definition of loneliness is not just going out and being by yourself and hanging out with nobody and hanging out with yourself. It's being so afraid of your own thoughts and your own mind that you're scared of thinking, of being without somebody else to fill up that void and that opportunity for reality to set in and for you to talk to your inner subconscious. You are defined by the people that are basically in your circle and that surround you and that are with you every step of your life journey. People are not permanent. Like, literally, life is not permanent. So people are going to come in and out of your life every single day, and don't think of that as a negative thing. That's a positive thing. It's going to build you as a person. That's the entire point of having a person in your life, is to put you through some sort of journey and to bring you to a period of time in your life where you are going to be better. Your friends, your family, any single person that is with you throughout your life is going to come in and out of your life. It's that simple. The fact is, you need to start moving out of the groups that you're in currently that are not helping you and that are not putting you in the position that you want to be in. Life goes by like that, okay? And so just understand immediately that if you're in a spot where you do not find yourself liking that group, liking those people, and just enjoying your company and your time, you're going to hate your life. Now, I don't want you to go through that position of hating your life every single day. That's stupid. And frankly, it makes you look dumb. So for starters, get out of that group. Leave that group. It's that simple. Those people mean nothing to you, because if they meant something to you, you wouldn't be feeling the way you do right now. They haven't helped you. They haven't supported you. They haven't even tried to give you some sort of appreciation and some sort of knowledge that they actually see you. Why am I yelling, you may be asking? Because the fact is, if you don't understand this, if you don't get this into your little head right now, you are going to literally waste your life. You're going to feel awful for unnecessary amounts of time. It's so simple to get out of this frame of mind and to move on with your life. It is so simple, but you have to actually start and snap out of the fake reality you are living in. Your life goes by so quickly, and the friends that surround you are literally going to change. And so trying to hold on to friends that mean nothing to you because you are in a different part of your life is the worst thing you can do. This chapter that you're in right now means that you're in for something greater. than what you previously had. Holding on to those people, sticking to the exact same groups that you were a part of in the past, is going to hold you back. Just like you're holding on to them. If you're scared that you're not going to find anyone else to hang out with, that you are going to be alone, let me snap you back into reality for a second and say that's just not going to happen. You are going to find your group, your people, as soon as you let go. As soon as you let go, you are going to find those clubs, those people, those experiences that you wanted to go through, that you always wanted, that you always knew that you had inside of yourself, and you are going to go through them and find your people. Step back for a moment and genuinely realize how valuable you actually are. Those old groups that didn't help you, that didn't support you, they didn't realize your value. They assumed that by putting you down, you would be complacent and that you would go down to the level that they're at. The negative zone, the dead zone of just evil and corruption and anger and resentment that gets people nowhere in life. You don't have that. You are so much greater. And once you actually realize that, literally life will get so much better. So realize who you are. Realize your value. Realize exactly what type of person you actually aspire to be and are going to be. It is so much better to actually confront yourself and to talk to yourself and to start realizing who you are now rather than later, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years later, because by then it might just be too late. Right now you have the opportunity to change, to move on, to realize who you are, and then to go towards that. So use this gift of time, of a head start, to actually go and start something with your life. Friends come and go, and that's just life, that's normal. So don't try and stick around waiting for these same people who are one chapter of your life to come into the second. They weren't meant for you in the second because you grew out. You became someone new. You're becoming someone new. And you're reaching a new level that those people never could. I don't want to make this a long video because that's not what it's meant to be. Some video to get your attention. The fact is, it's who you surround yourself with. Change that and life changes. You will wake up every single day feeling like it is genuinely sunshine and rainbows. You will feel the earth singing to you. It is a different kind of feeling. Once you start to realize as well that the value you have is so much greater than anything that these other people can offer in exchange for it, you'll find the people that are going to value the value that you actually have. You're going to find those people and they're going to come and they're going to give you what you desire. You don't deserve bare minimum too. You deserve the world, but you're not acting like it. So you have to start acting like it, and you have to realize exactly what it means to deserve the world. It doesn't mean sitting on the couch. It doesn't mean talking to the people that don't deserve you. It means moving towards your goals. It means moving towards a new group that actually matters. Because if you don't, then you're just not. You're every other Joe schmuck on the street. And do you want to be that? But if you don't, start making changes towards it. I can't pick you up out of your bed and force you to do this. You can only do that. So once you really do realize that you are meant for so much more, for so much greater, life will become so much greater. The people you surround yourself will become so much greater because life, because the universe, God will literally send everybody down to you and say, this is what they deserve. This is who they need in their life right now. Don't make a fool of yourself, acting like you deserve nothing and accepting everything from everyone. As you move on in life, as you go through different chapters, you're going to deserve so much more. And you're going to have to be more selective because not everyone's going to deserve you. Realize that. Stop wasting your energy on people who don't deserve you. And once you do, the people who do deserve you and the people who reciprocate everything you're giving will come straight to you like a moth to a flame. It is so easy. They will be magnetized. They will literally come to you like a magnet. So moral of the story is, don't be afraid to be lonely. Don't be afraid to leave the group that doesn't deserve you, and realize exactly what you're worth. Realize your value. Because if you don't, you can't leave. You don't know what it means to leave. You think that everyone deserves what you're offering, but that's not the case. You deserve so much more. Don't listen to the people begging you to come back, because those people, you were the best that they had. Realize that. Block them, delete their contact info, block them on social media, do whatever you can, because you need to get rid of them permanently. Don't even falter on the idea of going back. Subscribe for more videos like this video as well if you can, and keep watching this channel if you want to see more like this. And watch my other videos, because they talk a lot more about a lot more of this stuff. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, homie.